Hello again. This is the sixth video of our series, which we're discussing curtain walls. And in this part, we will actually discuss the third part, the third type of curtain walls, which is called storefront. One of the very important features of a storefront that it has the ability to penetrate other normal walls, other basic walls, and fill in instead of these basic walls. Or as the book says, it's actually embed itself on other walls. As you can see, if we went to the north elevation of this building, we can see that there is a space, a wall, basic wall, and it's a suitable place to put our storefront for an entrance of our building. So we'll go to the north elevation. Before we go to the north elevation, we'll go to the ground floor plan. And you can see that, let me do certain things over here by actually filter this and remove the AutoCAD. Sorry. Okay, and then we can hide it. So let's make a simple measurement over here. We will go and measure the distance between C and D, and you can see it's 20 meters. And what we want to do is we want to add a 10-meter length of storefront, and it should be actually at the middle of this wall. So we will make a very simple trick. But before we do, we want to add the wall, place the wall. So we'll go to wall architectural, then we'll go to and select storefront. And let's control the base constraint is 0 ground, 0 ground. It's right. The base offset should be 0. And the top constraint should be first floor, okay, but with a minus 1,500, and that tells you that unconnected height of this wall is going to be 4,000. So we will actually do a random work over here. We will make sure that you are at the middle of the wall, at the center of the wall. Nothing else, nothing outside. If you do it like this, it will not actually penetrate it, or like this. So make sure you are at the center of the wall. And I'll do a very simple thing. This is a 10 meters, though this is more than, this is 10 meters. And as you can see right now, it penetrates the wall and it fills in. And to make sure that we are at the middle of the wall, what we will do is we will put a dimension over here, and then we will select the curtain wall, and the dimension turns to be a temporary dimension. This is a very good way to trick Revit and enforce it to create dimensions of temporary dimensions like you want. So we'll say 5,000, and that will place it at the right place. Yes, and very good. Now let's look at it in the north elevation. This is the north elevation. This is the wall, and now what we want to do is we want to unpin all of the, because all of them, panels are pinned, mullions are pinned, even grid lines are pinned. So what we will do, we'll unpin them all, and then we will go over here. Now, if we want to move all the mullions upwards, you need to do a very simple thing. Instead of selecting a mullion, you need to select the line behind the mullion. So what you'll do, you will actually just get closer to one of this, make it highlight, then press tab up until you get the curtain grid line, and then because it's unpinned, you can say it's a 1,000, and this way you move the whole thing. When you move the grid line, mullions moved with it, and this is what we want. Thank you.